Today we are going to start cross multiplication method. So how will solve a system of linear equation by cross multiplication method? So here write cross multiplication method. So consider a system of linear equations a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals to 0. So you will remember, if any constant present in right hand side, you will bring that constant in left hand side. After that you will start from coefficient of y. So write b1 b2, next coefficient c1 c2, then again start from beginning a1 a2, and we have started from coefficient of y, then last step will be b1 b2. Okay, after that x divided by y divided by 1 divided by, we'll write, then cross multiply. So b1 c2 minus b2 c1 will be the denominator of x. b1 c2 minus b2 c1. Now denominator of y will be c1 a2, c1 a2 minus c2 a1, then a1 b2 minus a2 b1, right? Okay, Sakshi, it is only a process. So its
Sir,
name
but this is too
yes, something you were saying, Sakshi?
yes, sir. Like it's difficult, it's a bit difficult than elimination and substitution method.
Yeah. Okay, but some students like this method. Okay, it will vary student to student. Okay, so its name is cross multiplication because we are using one technique whose name is cross multiplication method. We'll start writing coefficient from y. So b1 b2, next coefficient we will write, after that a1 a2, then we'll finish at b1 b2. Then we'll write x divided by equals to y divided by equals to 1 divided by. Then denominator of x will cross multiply. So b1 c2 minus b2 c1. Then c1 a2 minus c2 a1 will be the denominator of y. Then denominator of 1 will be a1 b2 minus a2 b1. After that it is easy because whatever number we get here, okay. So x, denominator of x will bring here, then we'll get the value of x. So value of x will be b1 c2 minus b2 c1 divided by a1 b2 minus a2 b1, and value of y Just bring denominator of y in right hand side, then crosswise it will come in numerator. So C1 A2 minus C2 A1 divided by A1 B2 minus A2 P1. So this method is called cross multiplication method. Okay. Now we'll do exercise question.
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, can you explain the previous slide once? The last portion I didn't get it.
Okay. So here just see. Okay. So first though we'll write denominator of x, denominator of y, and denominator of 1. You understood this part? Any problem in this part?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we know that if you take this and this, okay, this equals to this, we can write now all three are equal. So if you take first and last, and if you solve the value of x, then this part will come in numerator. So x equals to, we can write b1 c2 minus b2 c1 divided by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Sakshi, if you take this because first, second, third, three things are here. So if you take first one and third one, so x equals to, how will get this number, you will bring in right hand side, then it will come in numerator. Similarly, if you take second and third, so y equals to, denominator of y you will bring in numerator, crosswise it will come. So it will be c1 a2 minus c2 a1 divided by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Is it clear? Achha, taking one
Yes,
example
sir.
I am saying. Suppose it came x by 3 equals to y by 4 equals to, suppose, 1 by 12. Suppose you got this. Okay. So if you want to find x, then you will consider x by 3 equals to 1 by 12. And you will consider y by 4 equals to 1 by 12. Is it or not? So x equals to 3, if you will bring right hand side, then you will get 3 by, sorry, here 12, no? So 3 by 12, and y equals to, you will get 4 by 12. So x equals to, you will get 1 by 4, and y equals to, you will get 1 by 3. Now understood? Sakshi, understood? Any confusion?
No, sir.
Okay.
Understood.
Now we'll start exercise 3.5. Okay. Now read first question. Which of the following pair of linear equations has unique solution? No solution or infinite many solution? In case there is a unique solution, find it by using cross multiplication method. It means first we have to check it has unique solution or infinite many solution or no solution or not. So answer 1, exercise 3.5. So I'm checking first one. X minus 3y minus 3 equals to 0, and 3x minus 9y minus 2 equals to 0. Right? Acha. What will be the value of a1 by a2? Coefficient of x
So
here
1 by
1. Here coefficient
1 by
of
3.
x is 3. So 1 by 3. Acha. b1 by b2 minus
So
minus 3 by minus 9. Minus minus cancel.
1 by
Here also 1
3.
by 3.
1 by 3.
c1 by c2 minus 3 by minus 2. Here minus minus you will cancel.
Okay.
So 3 by 2. It means A1 by A2 equals to B1 by B2 not equals to C1 by C2. Whose condition it is, Sakshi?
So
Therefore,
no solution now.
no
Parallel
solution.
lines will be there, so inconsistent. There
Okay,
will
okay.
be no solution.
Therefore, the system of equations has
ये मम्मी मैं तो
no
नहीं बोली थी.
no solution. Okay, okay. Sakshi, okay. Sakshi, off your mic.
मम्मी इसके बाद. Oh, sorry, sir. Sorry, sir.
Okay. So this is question number 1, first part. Now, question number 2. If it has no solution, first one to got no solution, no need to solve. Now answer 1, second one. So 2x plus y equals to 5. 3x plus 2y equals to 8. If any number in right hand side, bring in left hand side. So 2x plus y minus 5 equals to 0. 3x plus 2y minus 8 equals to 0. Right? So a1 by a2, what we are getting? 2 by 3.
So 2 by 3.
And b1 by b2? 1 by 2.
1 by 2.
And c1 by c2 minus, so c1 by c2
By
no
8.
need to find. If you are getting, if you will find, then
Yes, sir.
also no problem. Minus 5 by minus 8, so 5 by 8. So clearly we can say, therefore a1 by a2 not equals to b1 by b2. That
B2.
means it has unique solution. Therefore the system of equations has what? Unique
Solution.
solution. If it has unique solution, then we have to solve by cross multiplication method, right? Okay, so just okay. Now here 2x plus y minus 5 equals to 0, first equation. Second equation 3x plus 2y minus 8 equals to 0. Start from coefficient of y. So 1 to only coefficient you write, not variable. Minus 5 minus 8. Then 2, 3. And last one 1, 2. So x divided by y divided by and 1 divided by. Now cross multiplication. So minus 8 minus 2 into minus 5 is minus 10. Now minus 5 into 3 minus 15, put bracket, minus, then minus 8 into 2 minus 16,
minus
then
3,
2 into 2 4,
4,
minus 3 into 1 3. So what we are getting? X divided by minus 8
9
plus 10,
plus 10
and y divided by minus 15 plus
plus
16, and 1 divided by 4 minus 3 is 1. So x divided by, we are getting 2, y divided by what we are getting? 1, and that is equals to 1 by 1. So what will be the value of x, Sakshi? What is the value of x? If we'll bring 2 this side,
2.
2, and y 1. If we'll put x equals to 2 and y equals to 1, then it is satisfied also. That means our answer is correct. So this was question number 1 second. So 2 questions I did. 1 was no solution. If no solution, then no need to solve. And if it is unique solution, then using cross multiplication will solve. Now question number 2. Both questions are very important question for examination point of view. So answer 2. First question. For which value of a and b does the following pair of linear equation have an infinite many solution? So what is the condition for infinite many solution?
So A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2, and that is also equal to C1 by C2. Means all the
That means
coefficients are equal.
if all ratios are equal, then it is infinite many solution. So 2x plus 3y equals to 7, and a minus bx plus a plus by equals to 3a plus b minus 2. Okay, since the system of equation equations has infinite many solution, therefore we can say that a1 by a2 equals to b1 by b2 equals to c1 by c2. Sure. So here a1 is 2 and a2 is a minus b, and b1 is 3 divided by a plus 3, and c1 is 7 and c2 is 3a plus b minus 2. That means 3 ratio. Yeah.
So it will be A plus B. No?
Oh,
In the
sorry.
second 3.
A plus b, not a plus 3, a plus b. Achha, now okay. So now we consider first and second and make one equation. 2 divided by a minus b, that is equals to 3 divided by a plus b, and cross multiply. 3 into a minus b, 3a minus 3b. equals to 2a plus 2b. So 3a minus 2a equals to 3b. If you bring this side, 2b plus 3b. So what we are getting? A equals to 5b. This is first equation. Achha, second equation, second and third consider. So 3 by a plus b equals to 7 by 3a plus b minus 2. Now if we cross multiply, then we are getting 9a plus 3b minus 6. Or 7 if we multiply, then 7a plus 7b. So 9a plus 9a minus 7a being this side, so minus 7a plus 3b minus 7b minus 6 equals to 0. So we are getting 2a minus here 4b minus 6 equals to 0. Okay, understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So here we are just cross multiplying now the terms.
That means here three ratios are equal. Taking first and second, one equation you will get. Taking second and third, another equation will get. So here if you divide whole equation by 2, okay, or leave like that, no problem. Sorry, here 2. Acha, tell me which method you will use to solve A and B. Elimination, substitution or cross multiplication? Because method to not mention here.
So here if we will do substitution, then
Substitution, very good. Put A equals to 5B in equation 2. So we'll get 2 into 5b minus 4b equals to 6. So it is 10b minus 4b equals to 6. So 6b equals to 6. Then b equals to 1. Therefore a equals to 5 into 1. So this is equals to 5. So therefore a equals to 5 and b equals to 1. So this is our solution. Understood?
yes, sir.
Okay. Now, number 2. Second one also I am doing. So answer to second one. Okay. For which value of k will be the following pair of linear equation has no solution? So equation 3x plus y equals to 1. 2k minus 1x plus k minus 1 y equals to 2k plus 1. Right? Since the system of equations has no solution, so we can write a1 by a2 equals to b1 by b2 not equals to c1 by c2, right? So put the value of a1, that is 3, and a2 2k minus 1. then b1 is 1 and b2 is k minus 1, not equals to 1 divided by 2k plus 1. So we have to find the value of k. So take first and second, third one not required. 3 by 2k minus 1 equals to 1 by k plus 1. Then cross multiply. 3k minus 3 equals to 2k minus 1. So 3k minus 2k equals to 3 minus 1. So k equals to what we are getting? 2. Check answer. Sakshi,
Yes, sir.
check answer.
From that. Yes, sir.
Okay, correct?
Yes, sir.
Acha, question number 3. Solve the following pair of linear equation by substitution and cross multiplication method. So both method we have learned. So you can practice. I am doing what problem. So question number 4. So here also 5 questions are given. So I'll solve 3 questions and 2 questions you will do by yourself. So I'm doing first question number 1. So answer 4. First question. A part of monthly hostel charges is fixed and the remaining depends on the number of days one has taken food in the mess. When a student A take food for 20 days, she has to pay 1000 as hostel charges. Whereas a student B who takes food for 26 days pays 1180 as hostel charges. Find the fixed charges and the cost of food per day. So let the fixed charges equals to fixed charge equals to rupees X and fixed charge and the cost of food per day. Cost of food per day equals to rupees Y. Now make the equation. So if she is taking 20 days, so according to question, X plus 20Y equals to how much? 1000. And if he is taking 26 days, then X plus 26Y equals to 1180. Achha, which method will be easy for this kind of question?
Sir, elimination. We can just eliminate the X.
Yeah. Here method will not be mentioned, so it is not compulsory. So you have to use cross multiplication. So X plus 20, Y equals to 1000, X plus 26, Y equals to 1180. Now if we'll subtract, here minus, and here minus. Now cancel these two. Here minus 6y equals to minus how much? If we'll subtract, then what do we get? 180? Yeah. 180. So y equals to 180 divided by 6.
So 30.
So y equals to 30. right? Now we have to find x. So consider either first equation or second equation. So consider x plus 20y equals to 1000. So x plus 20 into 30 equals to 1000. So x plus 600 equals to 1000. So x equals to 1000 minus 600.
400. Then
Sorry, 600, not 1000. 600, right? So x equals to 400. Therefore, fixed charge, how much? 400
400.
rupees, 400. And cost for cost of food, cost of food per day, how much?
So rupees 30.
30. Okay, understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, question number 3. Alternate question I am doing. Third question. So answer 4, third part. Yash scored 40 marks in a test, getting 3 marks for each right answer and losing 1 mark for each wrong answer. Had 4 marks been awarded for each correct answer and 2 marks been deducted for each incorrect answer, then Yash would have scored 50 marks. How many questions were there in the test? Let number of correct answer be x and number of wrong answer be y. Okay. So now what is the condition? According to question, in first case for correct answer, acha, total number of questions how many? Total number of questions will be x plus y,
Yes, sir.
right? Okay, according to question, if 3 marks will be awarded for right answer, that means 3x, and 1 mark will be deducted for wrong answer, so minus y, then he will get how much marks? 40. This is first equation. And second condition, if 4 marks will be awarded for correct answer, 4x, and 2 marks will be deducted for wrong answer, that means 2y. That is equals to how much? 50.
50.
So this is second equation. So which method will be better for here? I think here also elimination method will be best method.
Yes, sir.
So we can multiply first
Y by
equation by 4.
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, we can multiply it by 2 also, na? Then the
Yeah.
y.
Then y will be same. It is better than multiply by 2. And this multiply by 1. So this is 6x minus 2y equals to 80. Then 4x minus 2y equals to 50. Then subtract here minus plus minus. Now this will be cancelled. 6x minus 4x 2x, 80 minus 50 30. So x equals to
15.
30 by 2. So x equals to
15.
15. Right. Now put the value of x either in equation 1 or 2. So I am considering first equation 3x minus y equals to 40. Now the value of x 3 into 15 minus y equals to 40. Now for 15 into 3 45 minus y equals to 40.
So y will be 5.
So minus y equals to how much? 40 minus
Minus
40.
40.
So minus y equals to minus 5. So y equals to 5. So total number of questions total number of questions equals to x plus y.
20.
So 15 plus 5 equals to 20. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now last question, fifth. Answer 4, fifth. The area of rectangle get reduced by 9 square unit if its length is reduced by 5 unit and breadth is increased by 3 unit. If we increase the length by 3 unit and breadth by 2 unit, the area increased by 67 square unit. Find the dimension of the rectangle. So draw a rectangle. Okay. Suppose length is x and breadth is y. Let length equals to x and breadth equals to y. So if length is x, breadth is y, what will be the area?
Sir, xy.
Xy will be the area. Now first condition. According to question, the area of rectangle gets reduced by 9 square unit if its length is reduced by 5 unit. That means length if you reduced by 5 unit and breadth is increased by 3 units. So breadth is increased by 3 units. Then its area will be reduced by, means xy will reduce by 9 unit. So multiply xy plus 3x minus 5y minus 15 equals to xy minus 9. Xy cancel. So we are getting 3x minus 5y, 15 being this side. 15 minus 9 how much? 6. So this is first equation. Understood? Sakshi?
Yes, sir.
Now, what is the second condition?
So if we increase the length by 3 units and reduce.
Okay. And second condition, breadth is increased by 3 units. Acha, no. If we increase length by 3 units and breadth by 2 units, if we increase the length by 3 units and the breadth by 2 units, the area increased by. Okay. So length you are increasing. How much?
Plus 3. So 3 units.
3 units. X plus 3. And breadth also you are increasing. Y plus
2.
2. Then area will be increased by
67.
67. Now multiply xy plus 2x plus 3y plus 6 equals to xy plus 67. Cut 60 xy. Then 2x plus 3y. 6 bring this side. If you bring this side 6, then what you will get? 61.
1.
So this is second equation. Again, which method you will choose to solve this?
Sir, elimination.
Elimination. That means cross multiplication. Generally, we are not using. But if it is mentioned, then you have to use. Otherwise, your choice. So 3x minus 5y equals to 6. And 2x plus 3y equals to 61. So multiply first equation by 2 and second equation by 3. So 6x minus 10y equals to 12. 6x. Sakshi, who is talking so much? Plus.
Well, actually, there are some aunties.
Okay. 3 3 jai 9. 9y equals to 3 1 jai 3. 6 3 jai 18. Now subtract both the equation. Here minus, here minus, here minus. So these will be cancelled. So minus 19y. Or here minus, how much you will get? 183. And 12. If you subtract here 1, 7, 1. That means 171. Cut minus from both sides. Then y equals to 171 divided by 19. So it will come in table of 19.
Yes, sir. 9 times.
9. How much है? 9 jai?
Sir, yes, sir. 19.
Yeah, 19 into 9. 9 9 jai 81. Yeah. Yeah. So it will be 9 bar. So 9. Now put the value of y. Where? In equation 1. Equation 1 implies 3x minus 5 into 9 equals to 6. So 3x minus 45 equals to 6. So 3x equals to 6 plus 45. So what will get?
So 3x is equal to 51 and x will be 17.
3x equals to 51 and x equals to 51
17.
by 3. So x equals to how much?
So 17.
So therefore length equals to 17. Unit is centimeter na? Check.
So square units. So it's written square units.
Okay,
Like the
so
particular unit
17
is not
unit only
mentioned.
you will write. If it is not mentioned, then you will not put. So 17 unit. And breadth, breadth it will
9.
be y how much? 9. Check answer.
Yes, sir, just a minute.
Yes.
3, 4, 5, plus 5, plus 5, 3. Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So cross multiplication method finished. So I'll end here this video. Okay, bye.